Hello guys, Santino.
And I'm Cristiano.
And this is the
Marinelli Brothers Podcast.
And today we are at another Nature It's Fun. Today we are at
the wonderful place in Ontario, where all the dolphins dance in a row, you know. From big to small, we've got something for all. Everyone loves Marine Land. We've got belugas, walruses, and sea lions too. The Dragon Mountain ride, exciting things to do. So have a whale of a time as you sing this line. Everyone loves Marine Land.
Look at little penguin. Oh, there's one Cristiano walking.
Oh, it's like we got a waddler.
And he waddled away. Waddle. To the very next day.
I'll name this one Pingu.
Hey, hi there. Hey there. Ooh, another one.
This is odd. Little baby.
Yeah,
Oh,
the little baby.
Hey, look at.
It says her mama.
That one looks like it's hut.
There's another one. Yeah, the mom is just protecting the baby.
Aww.
Turns out the other ones were males. These are, I think, all females.
Aww, hello.
You like attention, don't you? Look at me, look at me.
Look at me. He's looking. He's actually looking. Now let's take it home. It hurts like
And there's the little baby whale. They're cute. More attention. Oh man.
I think this is going to be one of the longest Nature It's Fun.
Mama with your baby. So, looks like we have a few ducks here,
Some
a
fish.
bunch of fish,
And these two have a crazy
and a
hair.
lot more of them all around.
Look
And there
at that.
is a seagull.
Look at that. Look, that's that crazy hair.
Yeah, that one is a different color and
It looks like
I think has funky hair. But anyway, yeah, they're cute. Cute ducks.
Let's go, Kusha.
And there is Bobo, the bear. Baby deer. There's tons of them all just resting at that end.
Where's Rudolph? I just did this guy.
Here's the baby.
Hey Rudolph, where are you?
Oh man, tons of
This
bubbles.
was the ride.
Looks like we got tons of bison.
They're all far end somewhere. Cool.
Tino Cristiano here again. We are currently
I don't know. The dolphins though, I guess.
I don't know, but there's some dolphins. We're not gonna film the entire show. That's for you to check out. We're gonna film just Somerville. Thank you for watching this episode of the Man Icebergs podcast. Don't forget to subscribe,
Leave a like
hit the notification bell.
and leave a positive comment on our videos.
Goodbye.